Hey guys, welcome to X the Color Grading. Today I'm going to show you how you could slow down footage that you have obviously shot at either 25 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 24 frames per second. Now I'm going to basically do this that basically covers every single person that has, a standard computer to a very advanced computer, and I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on how you can fix this and how you can obviously, get a very smooth playback with that specific footage. So this is footage that I shot with the Sony a7 III, and it was shot at 25 frames per second, and I'm going to basically show you what happens if I slow that down to 50% speed. I press P to get full frame, and what you're going to see now is a jittery playback, as you can see. So that was very jittery. Just play that again for you guys. Right, very jittery. So I'm just going to extend that a bit so it's a bit more that you guys can see. So there you go. Jittery. Oh yeah, not good. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the retime and scaling, go to the retime process and change it to optical flow, and you can already see something happen. So look, something happened. Look. And we're going to go again and play it back, and there you go, smooth as you like. Now bear in mind that it's not going to necessarily work for every single clip. You may encounter artifacts, so what I advise is that you scan the entirety of your clip, especially if you've got high detailed areas, and just make sure that you don't have any artifacts. If you do encounter any artifacts, that is when you're going to go into your motion estimation and you're going to play with these settings here, but that we will cover in a future tutorial. So I hope this helps you guys. Please like and subscribe. We are a new channel and we're trying to grow this channel with only the best tips and tricks to help people from beginner to advanced in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.